Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Are you planning on doing some repairs or renovations at your house? One of the most common questions our building inspections department receives is, when do I need a permit? The city ordinance requiring building permits follows the International Residential Code. First, let's look at what does not require a permit. Sheds or other one-story detached structures with a floor area less than 120 square feet. Painting, papering, tiling, carpeting, cabinets, countertops, and similar finish work. Decks not exceeding 200 square feet and not more than 30 inches high. And remember, if you don't need a permit, you still must follow the zoning ordinances. Now, here are some of the projects that do require a permit. Fences, new electrical wiring, new appliances that require power or a gas fixture like stoves or water heaters. Remodeling bathrooms with new drains, showers, and tubs all require a simple plumbing permit. Overall, the scope of work will have an impact on whether a permit is required. We also have a simple form that helps you determine whether you will need a permit. If you know a permit is required, be sure to tell your contractor. It's up to them to get a required permit. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street. Hey Plano, Steve Stoller here again. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. This is the official City of Plano YouTube channel, so be sure to stay up to date by subscribing. Did you miss last week's episode? Click here to catch up. We'll see you for another Stoller on the Street.